Okay, so this is what we're doing here. Oh god, I have this strap on my camera. As if it's not a pain in the ass to shoot with one hand. Oh, these are the cat doors I was talking about. Really cheap. I didn't want to bother buying some more expensive ones because I have absolutely no idea how these things behave, and I wouldn't want to spend a lot of money on something that it's brittle plastic. Okay, the first blooper. Brittle plastic that shatters in the first use. So I just bought the cheapest ones I could find. I don't know, around maybe $5 each. $5 American, I don't know. And the idea now would be to, by the way, this is the bathroom door. The idea would be to slap them somewhere around here. Just like that. Looking good already. Oh boy. This is gonna be something as the first project. This is supposed to be a template so that you can cut the door. I just want to see if it really is the right size. Appears so. Even though they're cheap, you know, the packaging and the product itself with all the components really doesn't look that cheap. I mean, I've seen a lot worse. I mean, for this price you expect the worst to happen, you know, once you open the box. And no, it's pretty nice. No, everything explained in multiple languages, and just look at the the design. No proper printing, proper colors and things. It's really wow. Yeah, you can have nice, very cheap things, just not very often. Okay, I'm gonna have to grab a pair of scissors to get rid of this tag holder here. Wow, it's really difficult to use one hand. Don't have a working bench. I live in an apartment building, so there's not much space. It's not like I have a garage or something. Okay, and you have these front panels that obviously come with the cat door. And what also amazes me is that they have these switches, and you can switch from whatever way you want your cat to go, from both way access, and then you can change the direction. You can let the cat in but not out, or out but not in, or just lock it completely. That is just brilliant. For this price, this is the other side. Obviously the door will be just on one side, the other side will just be a simple frame like this. And then you have the tunnel, which is the piece that connects through the door, otherwise you would see this between the panels, the insides of the door, and it's not very visually appealing. So you have to mount these tunnel pieces on top of whatever there, and it goes through the door like this, so you can see a nice bright white on the inside instead of the shitty wood inside the door. Now, oh boy, measuring can be tricky. Got myself a pencil here. What's the total width? I still don't know if I have to push this to get real. It's about 60 centimeters. None of that imperial rubbish here. This is 16 centimeters, 3 millimeters. I'm gonna have to calculate that. So it will be 60 minus 16.3 divided by 2, that will be 2185 on each side. So 2180 and 5. There you go. Check if we have space. And it's time to grab a drill. I think we should begin. Right, let's see. And there we go. That's the first hole. Oh my god. Most of you are probably laughing, but this is the most exercise I've had in months. Whew. Oh, a lot of mess too. Now, let's file these down. There you go. Put it in here. And I think this is all it takes, to be honest. Oh, really simple. Let's see if it opens properly though. Don't want any surprises. Yeah. Thought I was gonna need more than one of these. Obviously not the case. Okay, what follows now is I'm gonna grab a few screws. What I'm gonna do is place this tunnel on the front panel like so, so I can have an exact. There you go. I'm just screwed in. Their head is too big. That's what she said. How about one of these? It would be too long, preventing the other from. I'm gonna have to try one of these. There you go. Just tip the door over. Wow. I think I just lost 10 pounds. Today. And there you go. What I like about these is, even if that requires a bit of zoom, even if the edges look totally horrible like this, watch what happens. Nothing. Let me tell you, they look really awesome for this price. I don't know how long they're gonna last, how the daily usage will turn out to be, but what the hell is going on with that focusing? So far it looks really good. I hope my cat won't be stupid and poop in the bed or something, trying to avoid these. Let's take it for a spin. There you go. The cat door and the bathroom door. And I'll come back shortly with actually, you know what, if it's still recording, let's just put the door back right now. There's the litter box. Damn washing machine needed to be held together like that with a chair. It's absolutely insane. It broke my heater water pipe. Here you can see it replaced with a PPR. Kind of. I have a solution for that too, but that will be another video. Let's see if I can put my camera just here. Of course, a lot of crap's gotta fall out. All that cutting. The other side. It's only got 2 hinges, and the door is pretty light, so... Oh, it's 3 hinges, sorry. Oh, there it goes. And that, my friends, is an installed cat door. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that. And as I said, you can lock it either way you like. So cat can go in and not back out, or you can do this, you can go out and not back in. For now, I just want it both ways. This is the bathroom. I really need him to get in and out of there. There are nights when I just kick his ass out. He's noisy, starts to play with stuff around while we sleep, and that's when I might use these direction buttons. But on this door, the room door, well, it's kind of late for a Saturday night. Damn, that focus is... There you go. So it's kind of late for a Saturday night, so I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. I wanted both doors to be done. Oh, one last thing. Somewhere in here we should have these masking caps. There you go. Oh, this is really annoying. Just gonna rip it with my teeth. So you don't see the screw holes. Do they actually work? What the hell? Oh, come on. Use my right hand. There you go. Bloody left arm. Useless. For the best looks. The top ones will just fall out. I need to glue them. There. And obviously doing the same thing on the other side, but it's no point in continuing the video like this. Okay, catch you next time with an update about how the cat's doing with it and the other door. And have a very nice evening or whatever. Bye.